Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 16th tutorial in this series. Now before we dig deeper into the Django template language, I want to make our life a bit easier when it's come working with the HTML files. You might have noticed that we do not have auto completion here, and this special syntax is not really detected. Instead, Visual Studio currently treat all the special syntax as a plain text. It's mean if I have an typo error or if I forget the curly braces like this, I'm not getting any warning here. I will see the error only when I run this project. So now to get better support here, I'm going to install one extension. For this, go to the extension and type Django. Click on the first link, this one, and install. Now go to the files. Now if you go back to our template, the look has been changed. Now you can see the title is highlighted, pipe is highlighted, and the variable name is also highlighted. And Visual Code do not treat this as a plain text. As you can see, this text is not highlighted because there is a typo error. Let me fix this typo, and you can see now this text is also highlighted. After this, I want to have a look into tags and list and how we can use this feature in the template. Let's have a look into the list. As I have already mentioned that these are the template tags. For now, I am looking for the list like this. We already have a list here and I want to implement this list with the help of the HTML template. To achieve this, I am going to create one HTML file inside the quiz subfolder. I will name this as a index.html. Now I will copy quiz.html and paste in the index.html. Here I will update the title, all quizzes, and here I want to return the list. This will return unordered list. For this, first of all, I have to make the change in the views. Here I am returning the list, and in the all quiz, I have a list of all the quiz name. So here I am going to render my template like this. Return render, first argument is request, second is template name. My template is inside quiz subfolder, which is index.html. Now I am going to pass the all quiz as a dictionary, which will be my third argument. Here I will give the name of my dictionary. Let's say all quiz. Key name is up to you, and pass the list all quiz. Now I am going to call this all quiz inside my template. Here I will list all the quizzes with the help of the for loop. Let's have a look into this. Here is a single curly braces and ampersand for quiz, as in Python. Here I will provide my variable name all quiz, which is same as inside our view, this one, and we have to end this for loop like this and for. This is special syntax provided by the Django. Now I'm going to list like li, start the anchor tag, href, and closing of li. And here I'm going to use double curly braces to list all the quizzes like this. Let's save and look into the browser. It's working. Right now it's unclickable because we haven't provided the href tag, which I am going to do in next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.